Okay, to begin creating your Gcash account, first try to input your mobile number that is already inserted in your cell phone. And then you need to verify your number. So you need to get the OTP. And then once the OTP is already set, click new account and then fill in the basic information needed. So your first name, middle name, last name, your birth date, email address, and then address. Make sure that you are going to put the valid and true information about you, because upon registering later on, if you're going to fully verify your account, you are going to uh, take a picture of your ID. So if it is not the same with your information, you will not be fully verified. So better to put the information, all the needed information. So the current address needs to fill in as well. You need to put in as well the current address that you have, as well as what will be the main source of your funds. Don't forget to fill up all the necessary information. Don't miss any question in order for you to accomplish the registration process. Okay, so let us wait for the uh, once you already complete. Okay. By the way, you can't next this registration process if you miss fill outing all the information needed. So once you're done, click next and then confirm your registration. Review your information if it is correct. Now after that, you need to set your PIN number. This is the 4-digit number that you're going to use every time you are opening your Gcash account. And then you are already registered. Now try to enter your number and also the OTP. And then once you already open it and you already set the OTP, okay, try to fill up the needed information. And okay, so this is now your Gcash account. You already have your account, and the next step is for you to fully verify your account.